Welcome back to the channel where science meets the future. 2025 has been nothing short of revolutionary. From human eggs created in the lab, to concrete that stores electricity, and gene editing performed inside newborns, the boundary between science fiction and reality is vanishing fast. So today, we're recounting down the top 10 science breakthroughs of 2025, discoveries that are shaping the next century right now. Let's dive in. At number 10, Mapping the Future. 2025 was the year of precision. From quantum computers correcting their own errors, to AI predicting protein folds in seconds, to DNA origami that can assemble nanoscale machines, the scientific tools themselves became smarter, faster, and more powerful. Every major advance this year, from medicine to materials, was fueled by this new generation of quantum-powered, AI-enhanced research. The future isn't just being discovered, it's being engineered. Coming in at number 9, better modeling of immune diseases and viral therapies. Imagine predicting how a virus fights back before it mutates. Using AI and molecular modeling, scientists can now simulate autoimmune diseases like lupus at the cellular level and test therapies virtually before touching a patient. Meanwhile, oncolytic viruses designed to attack cancer cells, are being paired with AI prediction models that optimize their behavior inside tumors. It's like turning nature's code into programmable medicine. Number 8 is solid-state and high-performance batteries. Battery tech is finally catching up to the hype. Researchers in Japan and the US created solid-state batteries with chainmail-like 2D polymers, safer, denser, and longer-lasting than lithium-ion. We're talking electric cars that charge in minutes, and grids that store renewable power for weeks. Energy storage may finally be ready for the clean tech revolution we've been promised. At number 7, we have liquid biopsies and AI diagnostics. What if a simple blood test could detect cancer before symptoms even appear? Thanks to liquid biopsies and AI-driven pattern recognition, that's no longer a fantasy. These tests can now detect trace DNA fragments from tumors, flagging cancers early, sometimes years early. The era of invasive late-stage detection may be coming to an end. Prevention through prediction. That's the new medicine. Halfway through, at number 6, AI meets gene editing. In 2025, AstraZeneca and Algen signed a $555 million deal, blending AI algorithms with CRISPR gene editing to design new immune therapies. This partnership marks a turning point. Artificial intelligence isn't just analyzing data, it is helping to invent life-saving treatments. The age of biological AI has begun. Our number 5 breakthrough is gene editing in a newborn. In one of the boldest medical experiments to date, doctors treated a baby suffering from CPS1 deficiency, a rare and deadly metabolic disorder, using a method called base editing. It's the first time this ultra-precise genetic surgery has been performed in an infant, and it worked, repairing the gene without cutting the DNA strand. A glimpse into a world where no disease is too early to cure. At number 4, the cystic fibrosis therapy, Trikafta. Once a death sentence, cystic fibrosis is now a manageable condition for many. Thanks to Trikafta, a combination therapy that targets the CFTR gene directly, patients are living decades longer with better lung function and quality of life. It's not a cure, but it's a monumental step forward, proving that genetic diseases can be tamed by understanding the code beneath them. Climbing to number 3, concrete batteries. Concrete, the world's most used material, just got a shocking upgrade. At MIT, scientists developed electron-conducting carbon concrete, or EC3, a type of building material that can store and release electricity like a battery. Picture bridges that power sensors, walls that store solar energy, entire cities that store their own power. Infrastructure is about to become intelligent. Our runner-up at number 2 is creating human eggs from skin cells. This one made headlines around the world. At Oregon Health and Science University, scientists successfully created human eggs from skin cells. Yes, starting from skin, they reprogrammed the cells into stem cells, then coaxed them into forming eggs. They were not yet perfect. Many show chromosomal abnormalities, but the proof of concept is historic. This could transform infertility treatment, genetic research, and even how we think about reproduction itself. And the #1 science breakthrough of 2025 is the Nobel Prize discovery, regulatory T cells and immune tolerance. The 2025 Nobel Prize in Medicine went to Mary Brunkow, Fred Ramsdell, and Shimon Sakaguchi for unlocking one of biology's deepest mysteries, why our immune system doesn't destroy us. Their discovery of regulatory T cells, or TREGs, revealed how the body maintains immune tolerance, preventing it from attacking its own tissues. This finding has already changed how we treat autoimmune diseases, organ rejection, and even cancer. They didn't just win a Nobel Prize. They redefined what it means for the body to know itself. From gene editing in newborns to cities that store power in their walls, 2025 has shown us that science isn't slowing down. It's accelerating. But every breakthrough brings questions. How far should we go in rewriting life? Can we trust AI to help design biology? And what happens when human creation rivals nature itself? Let me know what you think. Which breakthrough blew your mind the most? Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more science that feels like the future.